year, I produce a themed family Christmas card. 2020 was such a beast, I knew that the iconic Beauty and the Beast Be Our Guest theme was perfect for this year. I chose to do a hybrid between the 1740 novel by Gabrielle Suzanne Barbeau de Villeneuve and the iconic Disney cartoon and live-action film. Wardrobe to me is always the most important part of any project, but everybody knows Belle's iconic yellow gown from both the cartoon and the live-action film. Sorry, Belle, I couldn't get behind that yellow gown. I needed something that screamed holiday, something that was true to the 18th century time period and also really authentic to my personal style aesthetic. I realized what this DRESScapade needed was a creative collaboration with my friend and seamstress, Kate. She helped me bring my version of Belle to life. We started by studying fashion plates from the Rococo era, which is an era in France from 1720 to 1789 that was interrupted by the French Revolution. I love a square neckline, so that's exactly the look we were going for. A little less nipple, a lot more lace. Once I decided on the neckline and sleeves I wanted, I realized I didn't have the budget to purchase the fabric for the dress that I envisioned. So I went hunting online and found a dress similar to what I wanted this look to be like. The dress came and it was oversized, it was frumpy, it was something in need of being DRESScued. That's where Kate came in. She and I sat down and figured out how we were going to deconstruct and reconstruct this look. I love to recycle and upcycle fabric and other clothing wherever possible. I've had this shirt for years, so we deconstructed it and actually used it for the sleeves of this dress. Kate knows I love a good sleeve drama moment, so she took some more recycled lace and attached it to the lace from the upcycled shirt to create this beautiful draping lace sleeve. We kept the original Maltese lace or Chinese lace in place, and she added some of the selvage fabric from the back bodice to create these gorgeous ruffles along the elbow line. A very period look for the 18th century. The gold fabric is gorgeous and reminded me of Christmas. Little pops of red, all of the metallic threading, totally red holiday to me. During this DRESScue project, we focused heavily on the sleeve construction and the reconstruction of this dress's bodice. We wanted to pay homage to 18th century fashion, and I live for details. Kate masterfully cut this dress into a beautiful square neck and back. She added stay lace or bodice lace that was also recycled. And she meticulously repositioned the front circular rose applique. I then painstakingly picked the most hideous gold mesh and sequin trim from the base of this garment. How about that red threading, folks? No thanks. I chose a traditional cotton hoop skirt to keep the shape as close to Belle as possible, with a more circular shape instead of the shape we commonly associate with the 18th century Marie Antoinette of a peigne. Here you can see how beautifully the dress moved in our iconic Beauty and the Beast dance scene, and how gorgeous the sleeve drama is. During the shoot, you can really see the 18th century lines. The beautiful, slightly off the shoulder neckline, which is square in front and back, with the lovely stay lace that Kate perfectly placed. I created a couple of cohesive masks to go with our look. It is our holiday card after all. It needs to reflect the year that we've had. And the cherry on my proverbial Belle-style sundae were my accessories. In 18th century France, the shoe silhouette was more often pointed. So I went with Sarah Jessica Parker flat in satin called Divine, and they truly are. Also in 18th century France, you would find a lot of adornments or buckles. These flats were beautiful and had a crystallized square adornment on the front. A vintage cameo, set of earrings, and a feather completed my look. And that's the official tea on my personal take on a holiday version of Belle. What say you, DRESScapaders? Do you like the 18th century spin on Belle, or are you in love with the iconic yellow gown? Chime in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, fashion's past is always present.